Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. This is Thursday, November 23rd, 2023. It is 5:53 and 4 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, fiber lasers. So let's jump to it here. High-power fiber lasers emerge as a pioneering technology. Date November 20th, 2023. Source, University of South Australia. Optical scientists have created a high-power, Star Wars-style laser, boosting their use in defense and for remote sensing applications. The scientific investigators and researchers have demonstrated the potential use of multimode optical fiber to scale up power and fiber lasers by 3 to 9 times, but without deteriorating the beam quality so that it can focus on distant targets. Researchers say the new approach will allow the industry to continue squeezing out extremely high power from fiber lasers, make them more useful for the defense industry and for remote sensing applications and gravitational wave detection. High-power fiber lasers are vital in manufacturing and defense, and becoming more so with the proliferation of cheap, unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and modern battlefields. A swarm of cheap drones can quickly drain the missile resource, leaving military assets and vehicles with depleted firing power for more combat, critical missions. High-power fiber lasers, with their extremely low cost per shot and speed of flight action, are the only feasible defense solution in the long run. As this is known as asymmetric advantage, a cheaper approach to defeat a more expensive, high-tech system by playing the large number in delivering an asymmetric advantage. This advanced capability has the potential to provide a strong different effect, aligning well with the objectives of the defense strategic review. Researchers say that Australia has a long history of developing innovative fiber optic technologies. The research launches Australia into a world-leading position to develop the next generation of high-power fiber lasers, not only for defense applications, but to aid new scientific discoveries. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.